January 4th, 2021 Daily Math Review. Convert 5,283, so 5,283 meters to kilometers. All right, so we're going to convert here. So what we're going to do first what we start with is 5,000. So I'm going to do it kind of sideways. 5,283 meters. And we can put that over 1. Remember how we can put any number over 1. We are trying to get rid of those meters. So we're going to put meters in the bottom. We're trying to get 2 kilometers, or kilometers, I should say. So km for kilometers. Now, if we go back to our measurement conversions chart, so we need meters and kilometers. So right here, it shows 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So right here, we're going to have 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Now we can get rid of the meters because we have meters divided by meters, which equals 1. And now we're going to multiply straight across. In our denominator, 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. 5,283 times 1 is 5,283. And we're going to also keep that kilometers, the km. Now, remember, whenever you see a fraction, this literally means divide, and this is a sneak peek for what we're going to do today. So this means divide. So we're going to divide if you use your division skills. So I'm going to, if you use a calculator for this, because it's a bigger number, we have 5,283 divided by 1,000. You are going to get 5, and you are going to get 5, and you can put in here 5.283, and we're going to keep those kilometers. So our answer is 5 and 283 thousandths kilometers or kilometers. And that's it for our answer. And that is it for the DMR. Great job!